Is your VW Passat's infotainment screen frozen or black? Don't panic. First, determine your MIB version, MIB1, MIB2, or MIB3. MIB1 models from 2015-2017 are the most problematic due to discontinued support. Newer models often experience glitches from software bugs, memory overload, or faulty SD cards. Start with a soft reset. Try holding down the power button for 10 to 20 seconds. For a hard reset, use as last resort. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. If that doesn't work, try Volkswagen's official app for diagnostics, as issues can be fixed through the app. If basic resets don't resolve the issue, software updates are the next step. Volkswagen provides monthly over-the-air updates for models from 2020 onward, addressing common freezing and black screen problems. Persistent issues may indicate hardware problems like faulty capacitors or wiring. Check for blown capacitors on the circuit board and inspect wiring harness connections for damage. Volkswagen's new AI troubleshooter app can proactively diagnose issues before they become problems, using predictive analysis of system data. For older MIB1 systems that can't be fully repaired, aftermarket head unit upgrades provide a reliable alternative with modern features and better stability. Prevention is key. Regularly update your system, avoid overloading with too many apps, and perform maintenance checks to prevent MIB issues from occurring. Looking ahead, Volkswagen plans to phase out the MIB system entirely by 2027, replacing it with more stable platforms that integrate better with modern connectivity.